Yan guys, so our hotel for our Bangkok stay is Tara Place. Ayan yung tsura niya guys. May store, may restaurant, may ATM machine. Tara, check-in na tayo. May massage na rin oh. So, kompleto na siya guys. Thank you. Ito yung reception. May mga free snacks sila. Yung isang room may dalawang twin bed. Nice ka, no? Guys, second day in Bangkok. Medyo malakas-lakas pa din ang ulan. We're planning to go to temples today, like Wat Arun and Wat Pho. Hopefully, humina-hina na siya. So for now, breakfast muna tayo. Ayan guys, dito yung free breakfast. Ito na guys, yung hotel breakfast. Kamusta naman guys?
Sarap, pero hindi ano.
Hindi ano. Free breakfast ng Tara Place. Okay na din. Kasi 200 baht yan kung regular. So overall, sulit dito sa Tara Place. Malapit sa halos lahat ng mga attractions dito sa Bangkok. May free breakfast, comfy yung bed nila, and malakas yung aircon. So that's our Tara Place review. Thank you for watching and see you on our next videos.